you with the frequently asked questions. Belinda, our marketing managers, come up and give me a little bit of a, hey, I'm getting asked a lot in the Q&A stuff that caravan warranties and also manufacturers of parts and caravans, are they transferable? I sat there and looked around the base and said, guess what? That's a bloody good question. I'm sorry, but I can't answer. But when we've looked into it more, and with all the manufacturers we've dealt with, and also a lot of the warranty companies, it is very, very reliant to who manufactures your van and who manufactures the product. So please, if you're out there buying something secondhand, have a look into that. Make sure you're looking and thinking about those things. That is there a transferable warranty? Have I bought a product that might not have a warranty come across? Also, you need to look at the litigation of that as well. So guys, just wanted to give you a heads up. It's something that gets asked a lot, but also something that we can't inform you about because we don't know exactly what you're buying or what you're manufacturing. Please have a look at the products inside the van, what's fitted to it, from solar panels to batteries to gas, all types of things, even hot water systems. We want to make sure that we're doing the right thing by you, so you know the information that's worked out. But if we can help you, please hit us up, put some links down below, and also if there's any comments you need of any frequently asked questions you want, we're here to help. Speak to you soon. Have a great day. Thank you.